Hi everybody, today I'll show you how to create Instagram reel cover in Canva. So let's just begin. Alright, to create the Instagram reel cover in Canva, first of all what we have to do, we have to log in into our Canva account. As you can see here, I have already logged in. So signing into the Canva is a very simple process. So after signing in, what you need to do, what we need to do, we're going to click on custom size here. And now what we need to do, we're going to write down 1080 in a width, and now you can see the option of your story, which is actually 1080 then 1920 pixel in the height. So we're gonna simply click on this. Now we are inside the Canva editor. So the first thing that we have to do here is to go into the file, because we have to enable the rulers and the guides. So we're gonna simply enable this. So now we're gonna simply go inside the elements and we'll search for a square. I'm gonna simply click on that and it will be added into our design, and I'm going to put this into the corner. Okay, so we have to set the width of this to 390. Okay, so we're going to increase this to 390. Perfect. Now what you have to do, I simply have to copy this and I have to duplicate this. I'm going to put this into the downside. Alright, so in the Instagram reel cover, it actually cuts out some of the part of it. That is why we actually want to do the things in the safe zone, which would be actually the square. So I'm going to simply use the ruler here. I'm going to drag this and I'm going to put this here, and I'm going to do the same thing down there. Perfect. Alright, so we have our rulers here, and one thing that we have to do, I'm going to actually delete this because now I don't need this, and I actually need to add the ruler vertically as well. So I'm going to align this with this line, and now we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Alright, so now what you have to do, we're going to click on the file again because I want to log the guides here. So we're going to simply click on log guides. So now our ruler won't be moving. So now working on our design, there will be no movement in our guides. So now we're going to design our reel cover. So the first thing that we use here, we're going to add an square element again, and I would actually cover the whole space. We're going to give it that different color here. We can go here with the gradient colors. Maybe we can go here with something gradient, but I'm not sure. All right, so I think we can go here with this gradient color, and I believe we can do one thing here. We can change the direction of it, so it can be something like this. And now what we can do, if we have any image and our text, we can use that. So I'm gonna go here with any image that we have, but right now I think I don't have an image, so I'm gonna use the graphic here or some text. So I'm gonna put some text here. Let's see what we can add here. We can add this. All right, so this can be the financial strategy, but for that I guess I will need to change the background color here. So we can go here with something like this. All right, so I think I would like this one, but I would like to change the direction of it. So this is going to be in center, or maybe this one. This one is looking good. And now what I need to do, I would actually need to change the color of it. So this is going to be the white color. What else we can do, since it is related to the financial strategy, we can add some graphics related to the money. So we're going to add some graphics here related to the money here. We're going to go into the graphics, click on see all, and we can use the free ones here. So I'm going to put something here. Okay, notice one thing here. Whatever I'm doing here are inside this square, which simply means this would be visible to the user. Okay, so I'm gonna align this into the center, something like this. All right, so I think this graphic is looking good. What else we can do, we can add something else there. We can add maybe the border or something. So we're gonna try to add the border. So I think I can go here with this one, probably this one. Okay, and I'm gonna actually change the color of it. So we're gonna simply change the color of it to the white. This is going to be maybe gray color, and this is maybe any dark color, and this may be the black color. Perfect. So we can add same thing here. So I'm gonna increase this, also decrease this. So this is however you want to have it. So I'm gonna actually increase this till here. Yes, this is looking good. And we can change the color of it if you want it. And let's say if I don't want to have this background color, I can actually change it. maybe this one, but I think this one is looking great. And if you want to change the font style, you can simply change it from here. And this is the size for our font size. Then we have the options to make our text look bold, italic, and we can also make the alignment to it. And if you want to animate the text, you can also do this, but obviously that is not going to work in the cover. And you can also work on the positions here. So here we have the layers, here we have the arrange option. And if you want to have the second version of the same cover, you can actually click on the duplicate page, and this will create the copy of the same cover that you have designed for yourself. So you can have the second version here if you wanted to, or if you want to have an experiment with it. So this is how we can create reel cover for Instagram using Canva. So if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.